Hello everyone, we'll be learning linear equation in this course, all right? Linear equation is one of those fundamental concepts that you have to know before we move to advanced concepts of algebra, all right? This is very important, and it's actually a very simple concept. Linear equations are the easiest concept you will see in algebra. So what is linear equation? Before we go for mathematics and all, let's think about it. Can we understand linear equation with our everyday activities? Maybe we can. Let's try it. So linear equation, when you hear the word, what comes to your mind? Linear, line, right? So you can think about, okay, these equations are somehow related to a line. That is right. Now let me give you an example. With this example, we'll try to understand each and every concept of linear equation. Just in 5 minutes, you will learn everything about linear equation, believe me. Suppose you started working in a restaurant or somewhere, and they are going to pay you $10 every hour, okay? You don't know, you are going to work some hours, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, it's up to you. So you haven't started working yet, okay? So the deal is you are going to earn $10 every hour. And when you went to the store to work, you already had $12 in your pocket. So after working 1 hour, how much money you will have in your pocket? If you work 1 hour, you earn $10 per hour. In 1 hour, you will earn $10, right? Plus the $12 you have already in your pocket. So 10 and 12, correct? $22, that's what you will have. Now if you are going to work X hours, you don't know how many hours you are going to work. You want to find out, you want to write this situation mathematically. So how do you write it? Let's talk about it. Suppose you earn Y amount of money at the end of the day. You work X hours and you earned Y amount of dollars, correct? How do you find out how much money you have in your pocket? All right, Y will be 10 times X, right? X is the number of hours, and 10 is the money you earn every hour. So 10x plus the $12 that you have in your pocket. This thing is linear equation. Seriously, why is it linear equation? Every hour you are working, every hour, if you work for 1 hour, you will earn $10 plus 12. If you earn 2 hours, you will earn $20 plus 12. So the amount of money that's increasing in your pocket is constant, right? With every hour, your money is increasing by $10. That's why it's linear. It goes in a line. It increases at a constant rate, right? So that's it pretty much. Then there is another thing that you will hear. That's called slope. So that means, what is a slope? Slope of a linear equation. So slope means you already know what is a slope. If you have a surface like that, or you have seen probably, right? The ski runs, there is a slope. A mountain, there is a slope. That's the slope. So in the linear equation, what's the slope? Or what's the rate? The slope is how much money you are earning every hour. That's how your money is going up, right? $10 every hour. $10 every hour. This 10, that the amount of money that's increasing every hour, that's the slope. That's it. Suppose you don't work at all. You don't work one day, you decided you are not going to work. Then this part will be what? The $10 per hour will be zero because you are not working. X will be zero. There is no, you haven't worked at all. But you will still have $12 in your pocket, right? That you had from before. This 12 is the intercept. That's why we call intercept. You will hear it in linear equation. That's called intercept. Intercept means that's the amount of money you will have even if you don't work. So what we have learned. So here, in this situation, that 10x, you are earning money, $10 every hour. That means your money is increasing, right? Every hour you are working, your money is increasing. At what rate? $10 per hour. That's the rate. This is a positive thing, correct? Because your money in your pocket is increasing. That's a positive thing. So this slope, we call it a positive slope. Now take another situation. Instead of earning $10, you are spending $10. You are going to a store and every hour you are spending $10. That doesn't happen, but think about it. Let's say that's what you are doing. Every hour you are going to spend $10. Is it a positive thing or a negative thing? The amount of money you had in your pocket, is it going to go up or down as if you're spending $10 per hour? It's going to go down. Negative slope. That's the negative slope. What's the slope? $10 per hour. So this is what we'll learn in this course. This is all you're going to learn. That if you have a situation where something, in this case, this is money, amount of money. If something is increasing at a constant rate, that will be a linear equation, increasing or decreasing. So this is going to be the fundamental structure of linear equation that we are going to learn. And from this point, we'll build up. We'll build up method, how you can find out just by looking at an equation. You can say, okay, this is linear, this is not a linear. Those kind of thing. What is slope? How you can find slope from here, from the formula, from the graph. How do you graph this thing? All sorts of stuff. So we'll learn each and every concept. After every concept, there will be practice problem. And those practice problem, please try yourself first, like basketball. If your coach comes and say, okay, throw the ball, and if you thought in your mind, but you actually don't throw it, will you learn? You'll probably not. Same thing with mathematics. Try it yourself first. After you are done, me or some other teacher will go over each and every practice problem. So don't worry if you get stuck, okay? We'll always be there. So keep practicing, keep learning, go at your own pace, and you will find out that linear equation is one of the easiest concepts, okay? Good luck.